Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to fit a solar panel onto the roof of this transporter. Now we're just going to give the roof a thorough degrease just so the bond will stick properly. And that'll do it. And then now if we put the panel on the top, mark it with some masking tape and we put the bond on. Now we're positioning the panel and marking the perimeter with masking tape. This way we know exactly where to apply the bond for a perfect fit. We have carefully measured where to fit the panel, but it looks like the footage has mysteriously disappeared. Trust me, the measurements were spot on. Time to apply the bond. We're running it along the top of the ribs to make sure the panel sits nice and secure. We're carefully positioning the solar panel within the masking tape. Double checking the measurements for a perfect fit and pressing it down to secure it to the roof. Once in place, we tape it down to prevent any movement during the next stage. So we've bonded the solar panel down and now we've got to get these cables through the roof to the underside of the pop top, through the van roof, into the van itself. So we're just going to put you somewhere safe while we lift the roof up. After measuring the perfect spot, we drill 2 holes through the pop top, making sure they're positioned outside the canvas. With the pop top drilled from the outside, we now drill through the van roof into a small void just above the inside roof panel. After giving the roof a thorough clean and treating the holes, put the wires through the gland and then put the nut on. A nice watertight seal. We're installing the Victron Smart Solar MPPT to maximise energy from the solar panel we fitted. It charges efficiently and with Bluetooth you can monitor it straight from your phone. So we fitted the solar panel with the Victron Connect system and have a look and see what it's doing. Quite a sunny day. It's not warm, but it is quite a nice, bright, sunny day. We are parked in the shade here. So once you open the app, connect to the Smart Solar, then you can update the firmware. Once that's done, you can keep an eye on your charge levels. This van's all stripped out, ready to be soundproofed and carpet lined. We give it a good clean first with some brake cleaner and degreaser. Clean all the wheel arches off, all the panels off, all the metal work off. Make sure it's spotless. Fit the sound deadening, fit the thermal insulation, and then fit the carpet lining to it. You know, two-tone carpet, so silver on the metalwork and anthracite new Ultra vinyl floor. So one problem with the Transporter, when you convert it into a camper, you've got all the weight over the back axle, and what starts to happen with standard suspension is it sags. Transporter HQ have come up with a solution. These are 45mm lowering springs. The important thing is the rear has these adjusting collars, so you can set the height of the rear springs. So here we are, all finished. Come and have a look. So this customer has gone for the two-tone package. He's gone for a lighter colour carpet on the metalwork and darker colour on the panels, 4 LED lights and a nice Ultra flooring. If you come round this way, he's also had sound deadening fitted, and the difference with that is this door has been done, this door hasn't. It totally transformed the back of the van. Thanks for watching. If you like it, and subscribe, please. I'll fuck you in. That was him, just gone.
Nah.
Eh? Happy customer.
Wait.
See, I made him happy. You pissed him off.
Solar panels on the roof, nothing fancy, just the truth. Tiny, sinking, cozy.